Good morning, it's Proud Tree Fellas once again. It has been a while, not in front of the camera, but everything was happening. So today we want to show you what we are doing in Midrand, Nodwood. So we want to cut down this tinglewood. Yes, so we'll cut it to ground level, then we poison the stump. So as you can see, this is the tree we are going to do today. So we'll also show you the process and how we do it. As we always say, we are the best tree fellers ever. As our motto says, safe, fast and affordable tree fellers. So also come here, we have a small tree I want to show you. We are going to cut it as well. Yes, so Mr. Kanga, come with me, sir. So this one as well, this small one, we're going to cut it to ground level as well, so that we make sure our clients will live with peace of mind. Nothing will damage the house. As you can see, the reason of cutting these trees, they are very close to the house. They were now falling and damaging the gutters and messing everything. So I don't think you can like this. So today we are going to deal away with this tree once and for all. Thank you so much. Good afternoon once again. It's Proud from Proud Tree Fellas. Yes, I showed you the tree when we were standing here, a huge tree, stinkwood. But look now, we managed to cut it to ground level. So now the house is safe again. Nothing is leaning or touching to the house. Also, let me show you the other small one. Cut this side. Yes. So it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. This one. So we did it. Yes, we are the best tree fellas. So if you have something like this, you really need trustworthy and affordable tree fellas. We are your guys to conduct. We are always available to assist. Our quotations are free and very affordable. Thank you so much for the love and support. Kindly share and like our video so that it can help us to grow. Thank you so much. Proud Tree Fellas signing out.